Why, hello there, everybody. How's it going? It's very early in the morning on the very 1st of May, 2021. We're here to talk stock. Yesterday, April 30th, the end of April, was quite an interesting day. Let me just look at the screen. Very weird things have happened. Yesterday, we were down a bunch of money. And then today, we're now up a bunch of money. We're up somehow $411.80 on each of the two options that were purchased yesterday. That's pretty insane. One, that it's exactly the same number. That's freakish. The other thing is that the gains were really, really great. This Tesla option, which is an option to purchase 100 shares of Tesla stock on or before May 28th, 2021 for $810 a share, that option went from about $500 that it was purchased for yesterday to $912.50 today. And the other option, which is the right to purchase 100 shares at $765 a share, a little bit lower, but only 2 weeks away on May 14th, that one went from $420 to $832.50. Insane. 97%, almost 98% gain on that one, 82% gain on the other one. And the other option we have that expires later, but also is a very high strike price at $1,450, went up slightly and is still worth $30, but probably will not be profitable, as you can see, down 93%. Overall, this makes us profitable now in our Tesla options. And really what we've done is we're now up $358 all of a sudden. And we've been doing this since March 3rd of this year. That was when this first option was purchased. I've been talking about turning Tesla options into the purchase of a Cybertruck. This is the start. So now all of a sudden we're up $358. That's great. But there's something that's even greater. And that is that Tesla's share price, which went up $32.44 today. Tesla's share price had a great day, and it did kind of what I thought it was going to do yesterday, which is it bottomed out right around $670, and it went up, and it hit the 700, and it went right by 700 because people understand that this company is going to have lots of good news, and it doesn't matter about earnings with them. They make news all the time. So this is a really, really good day. And based on the way the trend is looking, you can see that they got back up to about here right now today, because you don't see yesterday's in the chart. This is where they were on Thursday night, so you don't see yesterday. So they popped up $30 a share right to about here. And you know what I think they're going to do? Exactly what I said in yesterday's video is I think they're going to climb their way back up to 800 plus, which is right around here. This line right here. I think they're going to do that over the next week. And you know what's going to happen to those options? They're going to go from being worth $912 and $832 to thousands of dollars each. They'll surpass the $765 strike price probably next week. And this is just forecasting, but that's the way I feel that it's going to go based on the way they make news and the money in the market. That's going to turn this thing into a $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 option, even though it's only two weeks away. And the 810 is, once they surpass 800, this 810 call option is going to go into the thousands real fast. So really a lot of potential here for the next 2 weeks of May. What's the worst thing that can happen? Katrina, what's the worst thing that can happen? What's the worst thing that can happen to our Tesla options? Starting Monday, what happens? Let's say all Teslas stop working. There's like a hack and every Tesla electric car stops working. We all are like, oh man, electric cars suck because all of them can just be turned off remotely and nobody can even drive them anymore. And what's if something crazy like that happens and everyone gets scared about Teslas and nobody wants to buy one? And they're like, let's do combustion vehicles again. And on Tesla stock plummets, goes to zero. Let's assume what happens?
By Monday?
Yeah, well, next week. Let's say they have a terrible week.
Yeah.
Then these options what would happen to this? Right now they're worth $1,775. What would happen to that value of $775? $1,775.
It would probably go down to zero.
Very close to zero, yeah. It would go to very close to zero real fast. So we'd blow $1,775. So that's very, very rare that might happen. Really, really low percent. They'll probably go up. But it does bring up a good point, which is we don't have to have all $1,775 at risk right now. We could sell some of this at some point. And maybe we will. But I'd rather ride it out for the next few weeks and watch what happens. I think it's far more likely that they will go up. I think that Elon's hosting Saturday Night Live, and everyone's going to watch, and everyone's going to go buy Tesla stock because he's going to do something funny and get press, and I think they're going to go up well over 800. Yeah. Do you have a little more belief in our stock after today?
Yes.
Yes, you do.
Yes, I do.
And your Intuitive Surgical went up a little bit today. They went up a little bit. Just a tiny bit. They're right here. They went up $1.78. They're creeping up. Creeping. They're going to creep. Give it time. You got time. So anyway, that's the update on the options for this Friday night and into Saturday morning. We'll be at the Kentucky Derby tomorrow doing a video about something. I don't know. It'll be fun. Never been to a Kentucky Derby. Figured first one post-COVID. Let's go. Let's check it out. So we're on our way. May all of your trades be winning, and may Tesla be spiking upward. All right, good luck.